tayo kay menu. Yan dito. After nun, hanapin natin si settings and privacy. After kay settings and privacy, click natin si settings. Okay. Kung napindutan natin si settings, next ay punta tayo kay personal details. Ayan. Scroll lang tayo, makikita natin si personal details ulit. Then, account and ownership and control. Yan, click natin. Then dito, pipiliin natin yung deactivation or deletion. Then, click natin si Facebook. Ayan. Click natin yung nasa taas, deactivate account, click continue. Then, type natin yung password. So, after mag-type yung password, then click continue. So, sabi dito, for your security, please enter your password to continue. So, yun, enter ko ulit. Then, yan. Deactivate yung Facebook account, yan, mamimili ka. So, for me, this is temporary, I'll be back, so click ko na lang yan. Then, click continue. Then, mamimili ka kung ilang days na ma-automatically activate yung account mo. So, ang pipiliin ko is, don't reactivate automatically. So, click done. Then, continue. Then, yun, click na yung deactivate my account.